Hello, crypto world. Tuesday night, stock market closes down significantly. The tech-heavy Nasdaq down more than 1%. I'm going to step aside and give you something to screenshot so I don't have to go through a list of what's affecting the market, but these are factors. That was a list that he created, that he put on X, and I'm just sharing it with you. I don't agree with all the items on there, but this is the factors that are affecting the market now. Now let's jump over to crypto. Red across the board and rather significantly, and unfortunately the volume's picking up. Now, because I'm by nature a bull, I'm going to give you one good piece of news and then we'll deal with some other facts. The largest derivative market, which did have a maximum pain price for the end of the month of 100,000, now is showing 98,000. That is still significantly above where Bitcoin is trading, and there's almost $5 billion in notional value. Now, this is no guarantee of anything, but it's remarkable how well it's holding up considering how bad the crypto market is at the moment. Now take a look at the chart of Bitcoin. I'm sure you're all familiar how weak it is, but one of the remarkable things is the maximum pain price that I just showed you is 3 days away, is 98,000, and it's trading 88,000. It's round number 10% away from the maximum pain price with only 3 days. I have never seen that big a discrepancy between where Bitcoin is trading and the maximum pain price only 3 days away with such huge notional value. So it's a relatively bullish phenomenon to witness it, but I'm not telling you that it's going to change anything, but it is remarkable. Now, one of the bulls in the market has turned negative, and Standard Charter has just said that they see Bitcoin plunging further towards 80,000 and is suggesting don't buy the dips. Now, there's also another point of view from another respected firm. Bernstein says Bitcoin is still on track to hit 200,000 this year. So we literally have major institutional firms on two sides of the coin at the moment. And I remind everybody, tomorrow the Bitcoin senator is going to hold a digital asset hearing, and it will be broadcast. And part of the good news is that hearing at the U.S. Senate will be broadcast live at 2:30 Eastern Standard Time. So you can watch it if you want. Bottom line, risk is off in markets at the moment. Crypto represents risk. And the United States Treasury bill, the 10-year, is below 4.30. It was only a couple of weeks ago I was worried about it breaking 4.6 and driving up the dollar higher. Bottom line now, crypto is viewed as risk. We can see what happens when risk comes off, and crypto is not going to go up unless tomorrow there's some major positive news. And if the stock market has some positive response, to remember, NVIDIA's earnings come out tomorrow in the afternoon. So we need something to drive up the crypto world, to put people back in a risk-on mood. But I must confess, generally speaking, people, once it changes this dramatically in such a short period of time, don't all of a sudden become bullish. There is trepidation in many people's minds at the moment. But, of course, when people are fearful, is generally said to be the time to buy. Whether this is it at this price or it's going to go lower, nobody really knows, because nobody knows what are these other geopolitical factors and what's going to happen tomorrow at the hearing